Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video I am going to show you two simple methods to use conditional formatting in Excel. Conditional formatting helps you automatically highlight cells based on rules, making your data easier to read and analyze. First method, highlight cells based on a rule. Select the range of data where you want to apply formatting. For example, let's say we have student marks. Go to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight cells rules. Choose a rule like greater than. Type a value, for example 50. Pick a formatting style like light red fill. Now all marks greater than 50 are automatically highlighted. This method is great for quickly spotting values above or below a certain number. Now the second method, use color scales. Again select your data range. Go to conditional formatting, color scales. Here Excel applies different colors based on the values. Higher values get one color, lower values get another, and mid values get a gradient in between. For example, in sales data, you can instantly see who sold the most and who sold the least. This method is perfect for visual comparisons without manually checking numbers. So that's how easy it is to use conditional formatting in Excel with these two methods. Highlight cells rules and color scales. Try them out and make your data much more clear and professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.